Hey everybody, in this quick video tutorial I just want to let you know that if you want to increase your Facebook ads return on ad spend and sustain the performance of your Facebook campaigns, then check out our 56-point Facebook ads audit checklist that you can download from our website roihacks.com. And yeah, it's absolutely free right now, so get it now. With this Facebook ads audit checklist, we're going to share checkpoints to audit your Facebook ads technical setup, Facebook pixel and CAPI included. We're going to share best practices to optimize Facebook ads campaigns and ad sets. We're going to show how to audit your Facebook ads, ad targeting and audiences. We're going to share checkpoints to audit Facebook ads placement and schedule. The checklist also includes ads and creative optimization best practices. We're also going to share landing page optimization tips in the checklist and other Facebook ads best practices. You can get the checklist for absolutely free by clicking the link in the description below, or you can also get it by heading over to our website roihacks.com, clicking on the menu item, free checklists on our website, and then click on Facebook ads audit checklist. Then on this page add your email address so we can send the checklist there, and you can make a copy of it and use it any way you want for your Facebook ad account or to the Facebook ad accounts of your clients. One more thing I would like to add is that the checklist is free currently, but we are planning to sell this checklist for $47 in the future. Make sure to get the checklist now until it's still free.